Hello everyone, welcome back to part 5 of our Healthy Homes Initiative series. Today we're going to be taking a closer look into the flooring of New West homes. Our hardwood floors are proudly Canadian made and manufactured without solvents and VOCs. That means they meet the strictest standards for indoor air quality and toxic emission, giving you peace of mind every time you step inside. But we don't just stop there. Our Pure Genius flooring uses advanced technology, a light-activated air purifying agent made of titanium dioxide integrated right into the floor's finish. This works continuously, breaking down airborne toxins and allergens for as long as the finish lasts. As for the results, the air inside your home becomes up to 85% pure without ever compromising the beauty, quality, or durability of your hardwood floors. It's a detail you can both see and breathe. At New West, every detail in your home is built with intentional design. From the ground up, we are redefining what healthy living means. Thanks so much for joining us for this episode of our Healthy Homes Initiative series. Stay tuned for part 6.